Hey guys, TechMentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install camera protector lens on your iPhone 14 Pro. Now, these are good to have considering how big the lens on the iPhone 14 are. Some people install these protector lens to protect the camera lens from scratching or cracking or simply getting dust on build up to it. Now, you can find these protector lens for your iPhone 14 Pro off Amazon and eBay for only a few bucks, which will leave some link in the description section if you guys want to check out. And in this video, we're going to show you how to properly install them correctly so that you get the best quality and also protect your investment on your iPhone. As you know, iPhones are pretty expensive, so we're going to do the installation and give you guys some tips. First thing is, make sure you go ahead and wash your hand with soap cleanly. The reason why we say that, sometimes when you're working with this, especially with lens, you don't want any hand grease getting onto it or fingerprint getting around it. The next thing you want to do is grab a clean microfiber cloth. And the reason why you want this, or if you have an alcohol wipe, you want to be able to just simply wipe down this part of your camera lens. You don't want any dust or anything lint like that on it, because once you put it on, if you mess it up, you'll have to buy another one and redo it. So you're gonna make sure all of this is clean, blow away any dust or anything that you may have. So it's a cool thing to do. Again, just want to clean it out. Like with anything, just make sure there's nothing whatsoever on it. And once you're confident that there's nothing on it and ready to go, we can go ahead and install this. So to install one of these, again, what you want to do is, there's adhesive already on these. So when you take it off, you want to avoid any sort of touch on the side that has the adhesive, or even touching any of the lens, because you'll get your fingerprint on and that will be annoying and you'll have to put another one on. So once you get this, all you do is simply locate the side that you need to put it on. So this one, as you can see here, there's holes to indicate it. There's 3 holes for the 3 lens, and then you have this top one for that flash, and then these bottom one for the microphone as well. So you'll want to be able to just simply put it on just like that. So you got the flash here, and then you got the microphone. There's a back microphone. You want to make sure you do that. So when you do that, simply just pull this tab off. As you can see, there's adhesive already ready to go for us. And we're going to be as careful as possible, just holding it side just like this, because we don't want any dust on this side that has the lens. And then when we bring the camera up, we're simply going to line it up just like that. And to line it up correctly, it should sit. Again, this will sit right on the lens just like that, and then we'll take the cloth and then firmly press it down with it. Again, because it has adhesive already, all you have to do is just press it down. Again, I tend to avoid not touching the top lens or anything like that, just so that I don't want to get any dust or fingerprint grease mark on it whatsoever. And once you have done that and just press it down, again, it will sit nicely. It's like almost a case that you have, and you just simply wipe it down and slide it. Keep on pressing it for a few minutes, and after that, we have installed the lens protector. Again, these lens protectors are pretty cool, I think, when it comes to protecting your camera lens. And if you take a look just like that, you'll see the lens sit there pretty nicely just like that. Again, this does not affect the quality of the camera itself. Again, if you go ahead and open it up, you won't know any difference here. The camera quality shouldn't be an issue. Now, for some reason, if you're having issues with it, I would suggest that, take it off, but should have no issues with it on your lens. So hopefully this quick little video helped you guys install your camera protector lens, and in another video we'll be showing you how to remove it if you need to replace it as well. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.